Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this time again I have stepped out with my family. मैं फिर से एक छोटे से ट्रिप पे निकला हूँ and right now I am at Munnar and I'm staying at the Leaf Resort in Munnar. I wanted to bring to you how the resort looks like, what this resort offers you, what are the different kind of rooms and facilities that you can enjoy if you are checking in here. Let's take a tour inside the property and the different kind of rooms that you might get, and hopefully this video will help you in choosing the kind of rooms that you would be interested in. Let's take a tour inside. Alright, so as I'm about to enter the property, that's the entrance to the property, and I'm welcomed by such greenery and the view that you see on my screen right now. That's a mini sort of a parking over here on the left hand side. You get an ample space to park your vehicles if you are driving in on your own, and as you can see, the property welcomes you with such scenic views. You get a smile on your face, and you think that it was not a bad decision. Of course, the resort is the Leaf Resort is, I would say, one of the best resorts in this side of the town, and that's the car parking over there. There's ample space to park a large number of vehicles, so you won't be troubled if in case you are driving in. I will be showing you the check-in desk and the waiting reception area as well before moving into the different kind of rooms that I was offered. Of course, I'm staying in a 2-bedroom private villa apartment over here that offers a majestic view, that offers a great view. I've already checked in, but for the purpose of this video, of course, I'll kind of walk you through what is being offered in that apartment. I also happened to see another room which was a 1-bedroom, a studio kind of an apartment. That was a great setup as well. But this is the parking area. Apart from this space, there is another private space where people have parked their vehicles. But let's move ahead into the property and see what do you see in the property, and how basically you get a feel when you are at the at the front desk before even moving into your rooms. Let's go ahead. And that's the front desk. As soon as you park your vehicle here, you are tired after a long drive, and that's what you get to see once you reach the front desk of the Leaf Resort over here. The front desk team has been courteous and they have been great so far. This is the seating area, the waiting area. I would say, once your family checks in, you wanted to wait for a while. Meanwhile, the check-in formalities are being done. Very, very nicely maintained property, neat and clean, spick and span. You could actually, see how well maintained the property is. All the more so when we talk about COVID, you have all such inhibitions in your mind, whether it makes sense to travel with your family or not. But here I am at the Leaf Resort in Munnar. It's very close to the Munnar town, not very far away into the remote area where you have to drive away for say 50 kilometers from the town, or moving too much away from all the, I would say, tourist spots. That's the waiting area, extended waiting area for all the comforts while you check in, you step out. So very, I would say, very serene kind of a view. It gives a very pleasing experience to your eyes. All the popular spots being listed over here, just in case whenever you check in, you get to see how you can plan the next 2 or 3 days, depending on whether you want to utilize the cab services or not, or you want to drive in yourself. That is completely at your own discretion. So you see, the entire area is very, very spacious, especially in the times of COVID. You will not be worried about with too much of a cramped space or too many guests too close to you or your kids or your families. So I think that has been kept in mind, and the space has been very intelligently utilized considering COVID scenario. Not to forget the greenery that has been maintained in the picture. To me, that is one of the most important factors whenever I am checking into the property. It should give me a pleasing view. It should give me a pleasing experience as I the moment I check into the property. That gives a very, I would say, make or a break deal, or a very positive or a negative kind of a feel. So I think these are all great points once you drive in from a place, maybe 6 hours drive or an 8-hour drive. This brings a smile to your place, to your face, and of course a very positive one. All right, so before I move into the the next part of this property or the rest of the property, let me show you the room that I've been assigned. So I'm moving into a 2-bedroom private pool villa. It's called 2-bedroom private pool villa, and that's my room number 601. I'm just about to enter the room to showcase how does this kind of a room looks like. This room has as I'm about to enter this room, in total it has 3 rooms, so which means 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. That's the living room, the seating area as I enter the property. And let me move into the rest of the apartment. That's the lobby, and to my right, that's the bathroom. We will go there just in a second from now. That's the bedroom. And the USP of this room, or this particular segment, is of course one, it has it has a private pool, of course, but the other aspect that I liked the most was this. I'm pretty sure you can see the view from this window. That's what I get to see from my bedroom, and this is the window view from the bedroom on the first floor. Similarly, as I entered in this room, there was a living room, there is a bedroom where I am right now. I have another bedroom that's on the lower level of the same apartment, of the same unit, and the USP that I was telling was this private pool. We'll go there in a while, and this whole setup will be yours with complete I would say privacy. If you are a young couple, or if you are with family, with your kids, whatever the case may be, that's the bedroom. And it's good enough, if you are a small family and you can get accommodated in one room, for sure. And of course, if you are 2 families, maybe with your you are here with a friend, or you are young couples, of course, it's a great setup to be with complete privacy, and of course all the facilities being provided. Let me show you the bathroom as well. The bathrooms are spick and span, and that's the bedroom view. There's a glass partition, of course, which you can of course put the curtains and all, and the bathrooms are very neat and clean. That's the major I would say put off factors at some of the places. If the bathrooms are not clean, there's no point in big names and big properties and all those kind of things. So very small things that have been taken care of. It's a new property, especially this side of the Leaf Resort, so it's a big resort, and this portion has been recently, I would say, revamped. Let me take you to the lower deck, or the lower portion of the same unit. So that was the door, that was the main door from where I entered. That's the door that I'm talking about. And as I close this door, there's another door here, which basically gives me access to the it gives me access to the lower deck, or the the room below the one that I am currently in. So let's go there. All right, so as I take down the stairs, that's where your private pool is, with complete privacy, of course. Your kids can have great time if you want to enjoy, and without any other inhibitions or any other social hindrances. Of course, you can utilize. And that's the again the same view, of course, as I saw from the first deck. This is the lower deck in the same apartment. So this whole unit is counted as one single unit. We saw one bedroom on the upper deck. That was the stairs which I took while coming down. And so we saw one living room and there was a bedroom as well. And this is another bedroom that's on the lower deck or lower floor, right? There's no living room here, as we have already seen the living room on the upper deck. That's the swimming pool. The glass partition from your window, from your bedroom. That's the bedroom. And of course with cupboards and all the other facilities being provided. There's a separate bathrooms. Again, a very neat and clean, well maintained setup over here. And that's the best part, as I was mentioning. So of course, housekeeping have done a great job, and I've been very happy staying here for the last, I would say 3 days, 4 nights and 3 days, and tomorrow I'll be checking out. And it has been great stay over here, and I'm pretty sure if the management of the Leaf Resort is watching this video, they should be happy with the kind of services their staff is rendering to its customers. I am one happy customer, and I don't mind saying that for sure. So this was one view which I wanted to share with you. Of course, the room, it's a 2-bedroom with a private pool at the Leaf Resort at Munnar. At this property, this is the view once again that you get to see once you are at the Leaf property, right? And I am about to enter this apartment. It's called Golden Leaf 1-bedroom. Now it's a 1-bedroom, but as you can see, I'm standing right at the entrance of the room. It's very spacious. It gives a very I would say a studio kind of an apartment. That's the bed, of course, as you can see in the video. That's the seating area. And if you want to have some snacks, maybe there are a couple of kids here, you can have your eateries and all those kind of things right here. And the enough place to basically put your luggage and all the other things. So there has been no compromise on on your basically comfort level, or if you might not feel any sort of a cramped kind of an arrangement. That's the cupboard right in front. Very spacious, and as always, of course, it's very neat and clean. Now, since this is a 1 BR setup, of course, there is only one bathroom, but again, a very I would say very spacious, very big. The most important thing when I look at any hotel, any property, is of course the cleanliness, the hygiene offered in the bathrooms. That is the utmost important thing for me, and I'm pretty sure for you as well. So that's the view. This is the studio apartment, and it's called Golden Leaf 1 BR, Golden Leaf 1-bedroom apartment. That's the view as I step out from this apartment here. These are all the other cottages at different levels, offering different views. They have their own advantages, they have their own different I would say positioning that has been given by the resort. But yeah, overall the property has been fantastic. I was here for about 3 days. It has been a great stay so far. I hope you like this video. Thank you. All right, and as I move further into the property after crossing the front desk, I'm pretty sure you will like this view that I'm about to show you on my screen. That's the swimming pool right in front of me. I'll go there in a while, and that's the mountain range that you get to see as soon as you are near the swimming pool. So imagine if you are here with your family, with your kids. If you are a couple, you are here with your friends. Aren't you going to enjoy this view? That's the swimming pool. I can see a couple of kids playing over here. They are having from the noise in the background is coming from from their restaurant, but apologies for that. But that's the view, and I think that's not going to distract me further into this conversation. Wouldn't you want to enjoy this view? That's the view that you get to see as soon as you are into the swimming pool. And I move further ahead into the property. This is the next segment. While I was showing you some time back the kind of rooms that we had, whether a 1 BR a studio apartment or a 2-bedroom private pool villa, but here are some more cottages which offer a 2-bedroom kind of an accommodation. All these cottages that you see on the screen, they offer a 2-bedroom accommodation. There are certain activities being planned by the resort management for kids entertainment. There is a bonfire here that is being conducted every evening, that is being organized with great music, and people from all walks of life, of course, when they step in with their families, they should have a great time. So that's what you get to see once you are at this resort. And I hope you liked this video, you liked the walkthrough of this property. It'll help you in your decision making whenever you plan to come to Munnar, or maybe looking for a room at the Leaf Resort. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you like this video, please feel free to share this with your family and friends. Look forward to see you again. Bye bye. Take care.